Review hub. Specifications. Brand name, Alpicool. Item volume, 25L divided by 30L divided by 40L. Volume, 20L. Voltage, 12V. Material, ABS+PP. Temperature rating, -20 degrees Celsius -20 degrees Celsius. Mfg Series Number, QX. Item type, refrigerators. Hign-concerned chemical, none. Origin, Mainland China.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just break. All the way hard ache, 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 all the way hard ache.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more video. Check description below for product link.